What are you most excited about right now, Dixie?
Like, honestly, what I'm gonna eat after this.
Welcome to Snapchat's Gimme Lore.
It's so good. I'm living here.
Get yourselves comfortable.
This one's better.
No, I like this one.
This one's better for 2 people.
Before we get started, I think we need to take a Polaroid together.
Yeah.
We do this with all of our creators. We have a little Polaroid camera. 1, 2, 3. Gimme Lore. Awesome.
It might just be my head, honestly.
How are you guys feeling?
Awesome.
So good.
Welcome to Snap's first ever Get to Know You series. First question, what is the family lore?
Are we defining lore?
You can
Our own definition of lore?
Definition.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we're all kind of introverted.
Oh, interesting.
I think we can all do both, but we're all kind of fine sitting and like being quiet and like having a day at home.
Our family lore, I think, is that we're very competitive over the most ridiculous things.
Is that true,
who's
Marc?
gonna touch the button in the elevator?
Yeah, I see Marc's shaking his head. Yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
So then what brought all of the D'Amelios into social media?
I feel like originally, honestly, just to connect with our friends. We didn't expect any more people to view that or more people to see it or care. Like, I don't know.
We're gonna go into our next topic, which is lost lore. What is your family like when you aren't filming?
Everything felt the same. Like, it didn't change our lives or how we were, how it was when all the cameras were off and the doors were closed.
I think people would be surprised like that. There was no plan. It was all kind of like, wow, this is happening. And I think people thought there was some master plan. And even to this day, we don't just kind of
It just kind of happened.
figure it out.
You just kind of take it as it comes. And
People are
then
like, you want to go on this show? And we're like, sure, let's do it.
we're gonna go into emotional lore. Hopefully this gives the feels. Heidi, what about your family that has made you the most proud?
The evolution of each of us and the growth just as humans, they're all amazing. And I'm so proud of the humans we're all becoming.
How's your mom's fearlessness helped you grow into who you are today, Dixie?
I think I don't even know the full capacity of how it's going to help me grow. I don't think I'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm so lucky how open and like confident and whatever my mom was until I'm older and realize like I'm trying to teach my kids that.
She's the most scared of things and the most fearless person all at once. She'd get easily startled, but if there's a major issue, she's the one you can depend on.
Future lore, what do you hope never changes about your family?
I just hope that we could stay close.
That my kids continue to ask me to cook for them.
Hope there's never less of us. That was like the only thing I could think of.
We're gonna move into a game, and it's a simple game of this or that. Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Unanimous. I love
Absolutely.
that. Connecticut or LA?
I love Connecticut, like it's home, but LA, you can't beat the weather.
Yeah.
Short or long hair?
Short. Honestly, I like it long because I like the way other people react to me, like if I'm out, but if I'm just by myself, like I would rather have no hair. Like that took 2 hours, that took 2 seconds, like why?
Blonde or brunette?
I like short brown hair right now.
I think I'm gonna say brunette just because, like, you know, when she
That's
came
my
into this
natural.
world, that's what she wanted.
Yeah.
Parenting teens or parenting young adults?
Oh, adults. No offense.
Photo shoots or field hockey?
Field hockey.
Field
Definitely
hockey.
field
Mom of the year or dad of the year?
I'm not
That's
even picking
easy.
that.
Mom of the year.
Before we end the show, I have one last question for you guys. And that is, what lore do you guys want to be remembered as?
Being a soft place to land, whether it's with people I know or the internet sometimes.
strangers,
yeah.
That's cool.
I want to be remembered for which I think I try to do is putting other people first.
Dixie?
Oh, those are so nice. You know, just for being really me, honestly, which I think is fine.
Your authentic self.
So I think she is very authentic, and I think that's what I love about her.
That's awesome. What a great note to end the show on.
Aw.
Thank you so much, the D'Amelios on
you.
Gimme Lore.
Yeah.
Our photo.
To be fair, this is not from my generation.
Yeah.
I don't know how to use these cameras.
You want to sign it and put it on the wall? Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.